Hey chai lovers, imagine wrapping your hands around a warm, aromatic cup that instantly transports you to a rainy afternoon. It's aromatic, creamy, and utterly soul-soothing. That's the magic of masala chai. If you are new here, welcome to Art of Cooking, where we turn everyday ingredients into feel-good feasts. Today, we are brewing the real deal, a spice chai loaded with ginger, fennel, cardamom, black peppercorn, cloves, and even a luxurious pinch of saffron. Stick around for the easy recipe, plus some wild origin stories and fun facts that will make you the chai expert at your next brunch. Let's get brewing. Grab your mugs and hit that like button if you're already craving it. Before we dive into the recipe, let's spill the tea on where masala chai comes from. Back in ancient India, around 5000 years ago, healers in Ayurveda were mixing herbs and spices into hot brews for health boosts. By the 1960s, it exploded nationwide when the government pushed chaiwalas, those street vendors with kettles on trains, to make it affordable for everyone. In India, we drink over 1 billion cups a day. That's more than coffee worldwide. It's not just a drink, it's a hug in a mug that aids digestion, fights cold, and even boosts your mood thanks to those anti-inflammatory spices. Who's ready to make it their own? Comment below. What's your go-to chai memory? Alright, for 2 steaming cups of heaven, here's what you will need. Freshly grind your spices for maximum flavor. It's like unlocking a flavor vault. All you need is 2 cups of water. Step 1. Toss in your crushed cardamom, cloves, grated ginger, cinnamon stick, black peppercorns, and those saffron strands. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Inhale that aroma. It's like a spice symphony warming up. Now add in the tea and the sugar. Let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Look at that deep amber color, it's mesmerizing. Pour in 1 cup of milk. Bring it back to a gentle boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. The milk froths up like a mini cappuccino. That's when you know it's ready. Don't forget to press the subscribe button for more global comfort food vibe. Like this video if it spiced up your day and hit the bell for more recipe drops.